Welcome to this quick video tutorial on how to change the writing mode of heading and text editor widgets in Elementor, using the Steroids for Elementor plugin. First, make sure you have the Steroids for Elementor plugin installed. It comes with an extra option called Harakiri, which allows you to easily change the writing mode of your heading and text editor widgets. After installing the plugin, you'll notice an additional style option named Harakiri in Heading Widget under Style tab. Here, you can customize the writing mode according to your preference. You can change the text orientation and direction, giving you more control over the style. You can add a hover color to heading without including a link. Play around with the settings until you achieve the desired look for your content. You have the option to add text indent and background to both the heading and text widgets. And there you have it, with Steroids for Elementor's Harakiri option. Changing the writing mode of your heading and text editor widgets has never been easier. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful Elementor tips and tricks. Happy designing!